Alright guys, welcome back. So, just bought this car off Copart, Citroen DS3, 2015. It's alright round the back end and everything, just front damage. This is basically all the damage here. The rad's gone, AC is probably gone as well. Get this open. After cutting open that in a sec, but just thought I'd do a little walk around of it. I won't open that door because the gap's really close. Show you the boot. Clean car apart from obviously the damage. No marks or anything really around it. All the tyres look practically new. Just door a bit. Flat panel. It does run. Obviously there's no coolant in it. The clutch is gone. I think it's probably snapped up here, so I'll have a look. Hopefully it's just that. For the gearbox and everything's alright. It's going through gears. You can hear it changing. That's a bit of stuff there actually. It's probably tapped there a bit. I'll have to have a look. But yeah, pretty nice little car. Get that bonnet opened and then show you the engine. I might start up in a minute to show you. No airbags have gone though, which is good. Good for me. Don't know how the person in the car was though. It's some smack. Yeah, one sec. Oh, both lights have had it. Bumpers obviously had it. Crash bars probably had it. This panel up top's had it. Bonnet. This wing, might be able to fix it. What else we got? The rad pack, obviously the slam panel, everything. This pipe here is broken. It's all split. Snapped that one. Obviously there's no coolant in it. Did check the eyelet. No funny looking stuff, so that's good. All looks clean. There is stuff in that bottle, so hopefully the clutch. I can't remember what you call that part back here, but there is a bit. I'll have to get a torch, show you up here. Have a quick look and see. Because obviously there's no clutch. So I think the piston thing up here is like smashed. So I did find this little bit. I think that might have something to do with it. So get a light and have a look. Alright, so I've had a quick look. And you see up there, that thing there, it's a clutch master cylinder. You got your slave cylinder that's on the gearbox, and that's a master cylinder. So basically, when you compress your clutch, it pushes against a rod that sticks out here. It might still be attached actually on the. Oh yeah, I think it is. Yeah. This here. This bit compresses into there, and it engages your clutch, disengages your clutch, and that's snapped. So it's good that it's just that. Bad news is I just looked, and they're about 300 quid. Didn't think they'd be that expensive, but they are, so see if I can find a cheaper one. But no, that's the problem there. I'll get one of them ordered. Hopefully get that fixed. Right, I've just had a little look. For the original part, it's like 230 quid, but I can get a aftermarket part, which was just as good. Apparently it's a genuine aftermarket or something, I don't know what that means, but it's 50 quid, so I'll get one of them ordered and then fit that. But it doesn't look as easy as the one I did on that Peugeot. I think I'm gonna have to go through the firewall to replace the whole thing. But I might just do what I did on the Peugeot and just replace that plastic bit that's snapped, because you can pull them apart. So I'll buy the new one and I'll just replace this bit, because you see that blue clip, you can untake that out, and this rod here pulls out, and then this bit, take that off the new one, because all it is just snap right there. So I'll take that off the new one, just replace that, and then that's still the original bit, just this bit here that'll be changed. And they're usually upgraded, because the last one was upgraded. These are just quite weak, that's why they snap. Because when you get in an accident and you slam your foot on the clutch as hard as you can, it just snaps. So I'll get that ordered and replaced, that little bit there, like I did on the Peugeot. And then we should be good to go. But still got Andrew Manlet on, so I'll have to go get my code reader, see what that is, get a new rad and everything. Just so I know the engine's running before I start buying bonnets and bumpers and stuff, because I don't want to put loads of money into it and then the engine's had it. But I think, I haven't got a mileage on it, I think it was okay though. If I remember correctly, I'll have a little look. That's not that key. That's the key for there. That's my key. 62,000 miles. So that's pretty good, that. 62k on it. Yeah, alright. Get some bits ordered and then see what we can do. Actually, first what I'm going to do is clean up in here. I have the feeling the person who drove this might have liked the occasional vape. More in there. Everywhere. So I'll get all the rubbish cleaned out and then cut back in. Alright, so just cleaned up all the rubbish out of it. So just needs a good hoover now, but I'll leave that till I've finished because probably get a little bit more messy. Put all the mats in the back here, and then there's a couple of parts. But what we're going to do now, I'm not going to record it because it's raining, but take these headlights off. Maybe take the front bumper off, just to assess the damage, see what needs to be done, see what needs to be ordered and that, and then should be good to go. Alright, so I've took both the headlights out, just got the cables wrapped up in a glove there so no water gets in them. But obviously this was a KS, and if you look, this leg is spot on, it's not bent at all. Obviously you've got a little tiny bend there, that's not an issue, that can easily get bent right back. Tiny little twist there. So yeah, this is the bit of damage really, that's the worst bit so far we've come across. Obviously the leg's straight, the leg's absolutely fine, but this bit here just holds the rad pack and everything. So hopefully I should be able to bend that back. If not, there's little what do you call them? Little welds there. Just take them off and buy a new one of these and put it on. It should be good to go. This bit here is fine. This is nice and straight. All this is straight. Legs obviously straight. It's just this bit. So even the crash bar is fine. If you look at the AC condenser, you can see it's like hit it like this. Just I think it's hit up top here. That's why the crash bar looks fine. But we'll wait till it's not raining, take all this front end off and see what the damage is. it's not looking too bad. I don't think it really needed to be a cat S, to be honest with you. But there you go. Alright guys, hope you liked the walk around of the new Citroen. And yeah, I'll just get some bits ordered. Probably start with that. Get that clutch sorted. It'll be the first thing I order. And get some little bits ordered, and then next video I'll strip this front end off and see if there's any more damage. Be able to keep these, hopefully. They should be alright. The lights are all gone, so I need 2 lights. Headlights. But yeah, hope you liked the video, and stay tuned for part 2 of me stripping it down and putting some new bits on. Thanks for watching.